Hello, hi, I'm going to do funny faces. You're a curly brew. Yes, yes. Oh, look at his eyes, bird.
He is a crap person.